So hi guys, it's me. This is the part 2 of the same thing we saw in last video.
Yeah.
Yes, I.
national flag है देखो.
So we are still actually paused. Just the thing is, whoa, wait, where's the national flag?
Where's the national flag?
Whoa.
Wow.
I can't even see it.
I also.
No one can see it.
Wait.
Only the front seaters can.
वाव क्या है वाव?
Well, we will catch you guys when we see the.
And don't make that mistake of pressing the arrow button.
Yeah. So guys, I will catch you when we see the national flag and
Not the national flag. The what, Mama?
the which statue?
The which statue, Mama?
अंबेडकर.
The Ambedkar statue.
statue.
Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
What he did?
Statue.
He was a
What?
Swamithan, that is.
You could also say
Huh?
He wrote Indian Constitution.
You mean he was a part of Green Revolution?
You could say which which year he was in.
Fighter.
What?
He
What?
wrote Indian Constitution.
Today is like a Independence Day, so it's like this.
It's Independence Day. So to all the Indians and
Muslims.
no,
Not
only
Muslims,
Indians,
Hindus.
only Indians, and to all those British people.
British goes low. Literally, the
Happy
country is down.
Independence Day. But for you, sad Independence Day, British. 1947,
August 15th. Thanks. and the excited.
Yeah. Bye, British, and hello, New India. We have
Not
already.
you, like 77 or 76 years old India.
Yeah, this is the 77th independence.
No, so India is 77 years old?
No, it is not.
Yes, it is.
But I can't.
India got independence in the year 1947.
Yeah. And this is
77th year, is it?
77th year.
Like I wish I could get some ice cream and some place to.
Yeah. I wish that too. I really want to actually eat something. We'll also be recording that.
Yeah. Oh my god, I have to wait.
Yeah.
Are you sitting better? And Alva, you also. Sit straight. Sit straight.
Yo, what's up, guys?
बड़ा वाला आहिला से
Huh?
नहीं दिखा. एक रेड लाइट ब्लिंक हो रही देखो ऊपर सामने देखो एक रेड लाइट ब्लिंक हो रही है.
हाँ दिख रहा.
Huh?
And now it's the national flag too.
सबर करो.
Where is it? I can't see it because I am holding this.
See.
सीधा करके
Man, I'm not able to see it. Nor you, my fellow fellow.
लेकिन बनती है.
Friends from India, happy Independence Day. You could just touch your phone.
Yeah, so where is the flag?
Ah,
Where is the flag? Show me.
flag.
इधर में दिखा.
Why can't you not see it? It's right there.
फ्लैग देखो सामने.
Oh, that's it. See.
रेड लाइट ब्लिंक हो रही.
Can you see
That's
that?
it.
इंडिया है.
इंडिया का फ्लैग दिखा.
दिखा. हाँ वही.
See that green?
इंडिया.
There's a red light somewhere. I'm not able to specifically see it from here.
Everybody. Alva, move back. Move back.
फोटो नहीं.
Aha, that's it.
नहीं मेरा
Exactly that stick you see over there with something. Yeah, that exact thing. That is the Indian flag, the honorable national one
Yeah.
of Hyderabad.
Move back. Move back. So listen to me. I can't stand straight. So all of you stand at ease.
Attention.
Yeah, attention. So sing the national anthem.
No, we are going.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय है भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध. Okay, just cut that scene out. So if you do the hi. So do you know the US national song? US national song. US national song. Tell it. in the comments down below.
Bye bye.
Till that time, peace. And peace.
Anything else you want to say?
Yeah. Do you know the US national song?
This is the third time you're mentioning it.
Sorry, I just think that it's
part
paused.
3. Part 3.
Yeah, part 3. We have to make part 3.
That will be when we see that statue.
देखो
It will
अम्बेडकर
be.
का statue दिख रहा
Whoa! It's already here before we even say.
Wait,
Right there. That golden.
Oh no, we can't see it. Viewers at home,
thing. That gold.
we can't see any golden stuff.
Well, the viewers can, in fact.
Like we need to cut off.
Looks like we're gonna be waiting. We'll be waiting. There's like gold stuff somewhere.
Yeah, I
There's
can
like
see
golden.
Wow,
See
wow.
that gold. Array. You guys can't see it, but when the statue comes very clearly, you'll guys will see.
Yeah. That time, let's wait.
It's been paused the entire time actually.
So the fucking time that I said the
See that? It's a golden statue. It's a statue, bro. Statue.
Did you hear me?
Statue.
Statue. Yes, Statue of Liberty. You think we live in US? It's not the liberty. We live with the unity.
The Statue of Unity.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have the Statue of Unity.
Yeah.
Somewhere.
Somewhere in the universe, somewhere God was. We shall in here, we shall in the
Part 3 is going to come faster.
Yeah, we have to make it fast. We have to win the statue of the IDK.
Right over there. That is a statue in fact. Not even we can see it, but you guys can see it a little, and that